All right, let's go through how to do our raindrop composition. So, here are our raindrops, and here's where we're going to put all of our music down here. So, step number 1, let's put our name on top. All right, I've got my name, Mr. A. Put your name on top. Now, right here, we've got all of our raindrops. Let's count them up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 raindrops. Now you need to fill in all these raindrops using these notes. Let's read them together. Here we go. C, E, and G. So each one of these letters goes in a raindrop. So I'll fill mine out. I'm going to start with a C, then an E, and a G, and I'll go back to E, and then I'll keep filling out all my raindrops till they're done. Remember, you can only have 2 of the same. So I can have E and an E, or G, G, but if I put 3 in a row, that is no good. After you have all of your raindrops filled in, C, E, G, let's do this, G, G. I'll end with 2 G's at the end. So now it's time to drip, drop down. Okay, I'm going to take all these notes and drip, drop down to the bottom. Now look right here. I have my C, E, and G. There they are. So I look up here and I say, what's my first raindrop? Oh, a C. I'm going to drip, drop it down. I'll make a little dot. Drip, drop, drip, drop, drip, drop. All the way down. And my C goes down here at the very bottom. So I'm going to make a circle. Nothing else. And then, what does the C need? It needs a line to sit on. If it doesn't have a line to sit on, it will fall all the way down. So we help it out and we give it a line. So next I drip, drop my E next to my C. So they have space. I look over here and I say, oh, there's my E. Here it is on the first line. So I slide over and I make a circle like that. And next I go to G, and look, I can drip drop right down next to my E. G is right here. I slide it over. There's the G, and I make my circle. And I keep drip dropping down till all my raindrops are down here. So I go, what's my next note? E. So I'm going to drip drop it down, make it match. There it is. E is on line number 1. So I put my circle here. I have another E. I drip drop it down, make a circle. G, G. Let's pretend this was a C. I drip drop my C. I have to put it underneath, and it needs a line to sit on. Now look at all of my notes. Do you see they all have space? Space, space. All of them have space. Now, watch what happens if they don't get any space. Okay, look at what happened. Did I give my notes any space? No, I didn't. They are all squished together. C, E, G, G. See, now I don't know where my raindrops are. I'm confused. You need to give them space. Spread them out across the lines. We should not have this. We should have this, where they all get their own space, drip dropping down. When you're done with this, you can turn your paper over and you can draw on the back.